Hey everyone, welcome back to Coinaz. Here is 1969 the Roosevelt dime from Coinaz collection, significantly circulated and worn coin, which also comes with poor strike. Mint mark D above the date indicates that it was produced by Denver branch of the mint. Massive circulation rub is evident on the hair part of the president. Also some tarnished stocks are scattered around near the rims and around the letterings. I suspect this particular coin has been cleaned. Reverse side displays very weak strike. Not only bands are smooth, preventing it from FP designation, but whole torch motifs are overall flat, including other nearby device elements. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit subscribe and bell buttons below. The 1969 Roosevelt dime is not considered rare or particularly valuable in circulated or uncirculated condition. It is a common coin that was produced in large quantities. In circulated conditions, the 1969 Roosevelt dime is generally valued at its face value, which is 10 cents. In uncirculated condition, its value may be slightly higher, but not significantly so. The premium for an uncirculated 1969 Roosevelt dime is typically minimal and mainly depends on overall condition of the coin. To accurately determine the value of specific 1969 Roosevelt dime at different grades, it's essential to consult price guides, coin catalogs, or reputable coin dealers who specialize in numismatics. But those dimes that graded at higher MS conditions with full bands designation sometimes command strong premiums at auctions. For instance, this superb gem in MS68 condition with FP designation was bargained for $2,396.25 with buyer's fee at Great Collections auction. Thanks for watching this video. Your likes and subscriptions are highly appreciated. Take care.